Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unpin a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update on your PC. If you've pinned a chat before to keep it at the top of your messages, but now want to tidy up your inbox or remove it from the pinned section, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. First, open X in your web browser by going to the x.com website and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see several icons. Click on Messages. This is where all your private conversations and chats appear. After your message list opens, move your cursor over the chat that's currently pinned or that you want to unpin. When you hover over it, you'll notice a few options appearing on the right side of the chat. Click on the three dots icon to open a small menu with more choices. From that menu, select the option labeled Unpin Conversation. The moment you click it, that chat will instantly be removed from the pinned section and will go back to its normal position among your other messages. It's that simple. For clarity, unpinning the conversation doesn't delete it or remove your messages. It only takes it out of the pinned area so your inbox looks cleaner and better organized. You can still find and open that chat anytime from your message list whenever you need it. And that's all it takes to unpin a conversation on X using the new web update for PC. It's a quick and easy way to manage your important chats while keeping your messages section neat and clutter-free. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out more tutorials on X tips and updates to make the most out of your online experience.